Hey guys, this is Rain and welcome back again to my channel. Today is the first day of the year 2021 guys. And today is an unboxing day kasi meron akong na-receive na parcel. Ayan. Actually guys, na-receive ko na to last December 23 ata yun if I'm not mistaken. So, i-unbox natin siya today. Is what it looks like sa loob guys. Meron pa siyang bubble wrap at saka meron siyang box. So let's open it. Ayan, meron siyang bubble wrap and then yung box merong nakasulat na Mikana. So I ordered a necklace guys from Mikana, Japan. So ito nga yung box niya. Meron silang Shopee account guys, which is Mikanajp. So I believe this is from Japan or made from Japan. Ewan ko, basta yung name or yung brand name nila guys is Mikana Japan or Mikanajp. So Mikana is dedicated into creating unique and timeless pieces to accentuate every woman's natural beauty so they can feel beautiful each day. So, I ordered this from Shopee guys. Meron din silang Facebook and IG, I believe. And I don't think so if meron to sa Lazada kasi I ordered this from Shopee. So, I ordered the Mikana 18K gold-plated Shipu pendant necklace accessories for women. But before ko ipapakita sa inyo guys or before ko i-open itong box, meron silang details dito sa item na to. A 100 original Mikana gold-plated necklace pendant, cubic zircon crystals. So, yung chain length nito guys is approximately 44 centimeters. Then it comes with a jewelry box. It is hypoallergenic, simple, and elegant. So, yan yung details na nakalagay dito sa Shopee account nila or yung description sa mismong necklace na to. So, this is again the box guys. This is how it looks like. Medyo nadideform na yung box. Ewan ko kung sa kanila ba talaga to or the way lang mag-packaging yung courier. Pero ewan ko, basta nadideform na siya dito na part. And pag open natin, wait. Ayan. And meron pa siyang box ulit. Yeah. Box ulit guys. Wait lang ha. And meron ding paper na may Mikana logo or sticker dyan. Ayan. Huwag nyo lang pansinin yung nails ko guys. And it comes with a pouch. Ayan. Sobrang cute ng pouch. This is the real box guys na pinaglalagyan ng necklace. Let's open it. Oops. Ay! Maliit lang pala siya guys. Wait, parang nagbabaliktad yung ano. So, this is how it looks like, guys. Ayan siya. Kita nyo ba yan? Ayaw mag-focus. Wait. So, nakalagay na siya dyan sa box, guys. And ito yung pinili kong pendant. Design ng pendant. Parang mermaid tail siya, guys. Comes with 2 pendants, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Oh. Wow. Ay, maliit lang pala yung pendant, guys. Sa picture, parang malaki siya. So, this is the real design, guys. Ayan. I don't know if you guys can see. Pero yung isang pendant, guys, meron siyang pa-crystal na design. Maglalagay na lang ako ng picture dito, guys, para makita nyo. Pero yung, ano niya, yung chain niya, sobrang nipis, pero it's okay. And, ganito lang siya kahaba. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang ganda, guys. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito ka-cute yung pendant niya. Kasi sa picture, guys, kung makikita nyo talaga sa picture, parang malaki yung pendant. Pero in person, guys, sobrang cute. Sobrang cute niya talaga. Ayan. Ayan. Yan, kumikinang yung isang kumikinang yung isang pendant. Meron kasi yung crystal. Tapos yung isang tail, guys, is color white lang siya. And by the way, guys, all their jewelries are non-tarnish. So when you say non-tarnish, guys, hindi siya mag-fade, or if ever mag-fade man siya, parang it takes how many months or years pa. Sometimes umaabot siya ng 2 years before siya mag-fade. Yung price dito, guys, is 299 pesos. So it's very affordable lang, guys. And very nice na talaga yung jewelry na ma-purchase ninyo. They have so many different kinds of jewelries, guys. Meron silang necklace, meron silang anklets, meron din silang bracelets, earrings, and meron din silang rings, guys. So, check nyo na lang yung Facebook page nila, IG, and I think meron din silang website, guys. So, ilalagay ko na lang lahat dito dito na lang sa screen or sa description box down below. And also, yung link nito, guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box if ever in case gusto nyo mag-purchase or bumili, guys, kasi sobrang worth it talaga ng pera nyo. Sobrang ganda ng jewelries nila. So, this is my first time, guys, na bumili sa brand na to, but if I were to rate this, it is 10 over 10.
Oh my God! Wow!
So that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to be part of my #ReignFam, and please don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. That's it, guys. Bye! I'll see you in my next video.